Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goring Guitar. We have Ruth B here and Dean Lewis. Beautiful song called 28. Okay, so it's a pretty simple song to handle here, but I just want to mention it's a piano-based song, of course. And there are a lot of notes here and there, so it goes irregular. Therefore, we're gonna make life much easier to translate that into a guitar with a strumming pattern that works from the beginning till the very end. So yeah, have that in mind. Strumming, that's what we're gonna work with. We have 4 different chords here in the song, so it goes pretty much in the same way from the beginning till the very end. We love that scenario. So let's take a look at the chords, and we don't need any capo for this one, so we're going clean here. Starting off with the C, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have A minor, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally, we have this bar chord, the F. So that's a bar placed on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Okay, so we're gonna learn the strumming pattern now. So grab the C, that is the 1st chord, and it goes like this for 1 round: down, down, up, up, down, up. So we start with down, down first, and then comes up, up, down, up. And the ups here, of course, you don't go all the way like this. It will be just, the sound will be just too much. So you just hit the top notes down here, the E and B string, perhaps even the G or so, but you stay down here. All right, so down, down, up, up, down, up. You want to have some variations here into the sounds. So therefore, if you noticed, I play a bit on the bass string sometimes and the top strings sometimes. So you play the first 2 downs on the bass strings, and all the ups and downs, the rest there will be on down here on the top strings. So 1 round, a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. Goes like this. Okay, so we have this chord progression that goes C, 2 string rounds, G, 2 string rounds, A minor, 2, and F, 2. We can start there. So you can stick with this just from the beginning until the very end, and that will be this song. But sometimes, all right, so sometimes you also throw in a G there in the mix, not where we have the first G. So it will be C2, G2, then A minor 1 and G1, and then F2. So you split on that A minor. So you're gonna just play 1 on that 1 round of A minor, and then you give 1 for the G as well. And then you continue in the same way with F for 2 rounds. So this G that I throw in here, that G or they throw in here, is like a bridge chord. So A minor, G, and F. So it builds everything together like that. So that is just sometimes, I think it's in a context with the chords there. So usually it's only C, G, A minor, and F. So with this G thrown in there, it sounds. And that wraps it up for Ruth B's and Dean Lewis 28. Beautiful song there, give it a try. and nice to translate something into a guitar. You can do everything on a guitar pretty much, and this is one example. Very close to piano, of course, but yeah, nice song. Till next time, guys, play tuned.